No, ni kunu nda o si gburu ishiri anyị na-enye ụdị nsogbu a n'obodo. Ndị a ga-anarakwa anyị Enugu ọwụ ndị Brother Jesus. Ana m complain ụdị pọma ndị a nwere ebe ana m complain ndị a chọ ikugbu enyi nwoke ebe awụ ndị. Ọ dị too much n'Enugu anyị ahụ. Hello? Hello? I'm coming. Hi everyone, wherever you are watching from, we are at New Artisan in Enugu. Hausa people are burning our houses down. As you can see, look far away there, you see hundreds of Hausa Fulani people armed. And they are hitting somebody there. It is very, very dangerous for anybody to go close to that place. Look at how some people Kafabuma, New Artisan Enugu. According to reports, they say that government of Enugu sent the military and police to demolish that area because of the nuisance of our Fulani people. And they started shooting at the military and the police, and they are rampaging, they are burning houses, they are burning shops. Hausa Fulani in Enugu. It is happening. For those who have been arguing with our analysis, it is clearly unsafe. It is very unsafe. Everywhere around New Artisan in Enugu is burning, and nobody could go close to there. Hausa Fulani in dominance at New Artisan in Enugu Premier Layout. Nobody could go. They are also looking for vehicles to burn. And residents of this locality, they say they are unsafe. As you can see, I can in no way go close to the scene to see. Our people are obviously in trouble, and they could come down. We've been saying it, Fulani people taking over, but so many people do not want to understand what is going on in Igbo land. A lot of us are helpless. Many people here do not know what to do. Fulani people are armed. They are hitting vehicles. Fulani people are attacking Igbo vehicles. They are coming. Look at them. They are attacking. They are burning vehicles belonging to Igbo people in Enugu. And where we are is not far away from Enugu State Government House. It is not far away. And I can assure you it's a shame in Enugu, the capital of Igbo land. The Hausa Fulani people rampaging, attacking, butchering, burning houses in Enugu. I do not know where we go from here. They are attacking the vehicle, as you can see. They are hitting all the vehicles with knife, with stick. This is New Artisan in Enugu, 2 minutes drive to residents of Enugu State Governor. And according to reports, the police are running, the military as well are running. This place is not safe at all. Let me try to go a little bit close. It's not safe at all. Well done. It's not safe. It's not safe, Arabi. People are telling me not to go close, that it's not safe at all. I don't know what is going on there. Our people are saying for security reasons, do not go close. Because when a thing of this nature is happening, they don't want media, they don't want camera to record. So it is very, very unsafe. From where I am, it's very, very dangerous to go close to that place without proper security precautions or security measures. Look at there, it's flaming, it's burning. And there is nothing anybody could do because the police are running, the military as well are on their heels, leaving our Fulani armed, in dominance. If you never know when did it was here. For those of us who are not in Enugu, for the past 1 week, Enugu state government is building a defense in front of government house at the expense of people. They built a barrier, a blockade, a barricade to protect the governor of Enugu. They don't care about safety of millions of people living in Enugu. And it is happening. It is happening. Nobody will pass through new artisan in Enugu. Our Fulani people are there. Look at the flame there. They burnt houses. And they are willing to burn vehicles. Nobody goes, nobody comes. Because the police and army came to ensure that they move away from the place they reside, they stay, they steal. And of course, constitute nuisance. I can't go close. It's not safe. It's not safe. Some people are going to be watching from North America, South America, Europe, Asia, and they want you to go close and die. It is unsafe. It's very much unsafe to go there. There are hundreds of them armed. And Hausa people can butcher anybody. Look at them there. And you want me to go there single-handedly. What I'm doing is to show you what is going on so you know wherever you are. You know, I want to go close and people are warning me not to go. It is dangerous. Very. Look on outside Magana Junction now. I wish I can zoom. Now. So I am on the camp of our people. They can't shoot me here. They can't butcher me here. But going close to there is very risky. I can't go there. Look at that junction there. I wish I can zoom Facebook Live. You can see they are rampaging. There are many. And this is their camp. That is where they terrorize people. And they see people already there and all that. Up there. So wherever you are, you know what is going on in Igbo land. Enugu of all places. Somebody's asking where the army are. I heard that the army ran away, police ran away. Because they were told to come and demolish that place due to so many atrocities happening there. So they said our Fulani people opened fire at them and they ran away. And they are rampaging, they are. And that is the, look at, they are hitting a keke there. They are attacking a keke there. They are running after a keke with knife. Bros, don't go there again. I'm like, you need to go there. What can I do in the love of Joshua? I'm going to make a love for me about the baby. That was a good deal that I can't address it one even down in Mela Junction. That's you when you work ever. Upon I have their own. How do you work about him about the kind of poor the guy pieces? I'm not going about 2 years. I'm going to go directly Makeba. I see Najik, only the Anna Zebanda, the boy, and that day took on Dowsa. About drama, the only entrance I'm wherever drama. Back and link up before major. No. Okay, I'm not boss. No. No, be about the property fa. Then do good now, boss now. Have a property fa. Over you born there, because of the state, yeah. Estate, yeah, Kaduna. The estate, you know, go be far. 400 naira, did it. Oh, problem, I went over there. Oh, Chef, if you can get 50 bone with the Aquanago. On the bone with Chef. No, only one. I many can with the estate today. When street. Each boss all now, not the one. On a rapid state here, boss. No. One guy, then you want you could have been. And the truth about Nanda was about Oshikane is if I would the only entrance lead to new artists and premier layout, my Jubilee Estate, my Goshen Estate. And a lot of prominent people be eba. Man, not safe. I could give her many times. I could give her many times. So, what if I make Makia? And what if I make Makia at all? Hana boss on Makama and they are my police when we keep back. You say what? I'm talking. I was some man now. Muku if I am for. I'm saying what my eyes saw. I was some man now. Can I assume for you? I am for. People are burning houses. Not na lie. Not be people they burn house like this. Who burn this house? Who burn this house? Who burn them? Now stranger burn house. So Igbo man feel come Sokoto come burn house for Sokoto, burn and for Kaduna. What happened there? What happened there, my friend? What happened? Talk what happened. Talk am now. What happened? Talk through what happened. Oga park one side.
Yes, talk what happened.
What happened?
Talk what happened. Tell the truth. As you put up like this.
What happened? What happened?
Listen, I can tell you something. Listen. If you talk like this, I go post up like this. Make I go near and make I know.
See this idiot.
Post up like this. I no go change anything.
What happened? Talk what happened. Now you the talk. What happened?
I go post up like this. I no go change anything.
Talk through now. You they talk through. People want hear the truth. You the send on camera.
I go post them. I go post them.
So what I'm saying in regard is that new artists and very prominent people be Enugu, but they are not security cautious. Abaga am ifa for many times. So but attack ifa mebe. Nda na ebu mmadụ eba. Nda akubugo onye police eba. Nda na ezu ori onwe ife ha dị eme eba. At the hand because government very evacuate. And according to people not here before, how may exchange bullets with government? Government boss nobody's passing there anymore. If for now the only entrance lead to Goshen Estate, to Jubilee Estate, the entirety of Premier layout. I cannot there for now. That's how about it's way. Yeah. What do they when I did when people like Mazin Nande Kano are talking, they don't listen. They do not ever listen. I'm coming, no road, I'm coming. I chose alternative way, I'm coming. I'm coming, don't worry. So, like I was saying, Enugu State Governor, mana enwego security concern, just block wa Uzot Bisala Road na presidential independence layout. For his own security, he's not concerned about security of more than 5 million residents in Enugu. He doesn't care about them. And it is boiling. People are suffering traffic due to irresponsibility, foolishness of government of Enugu State. And of course, Hausa Fulani people are chasing them. And people abandoned, people helpless are also bearing the consequences. Because nobody can move, nobody can come in.
You use that.
They no value am. Yeah. Alpha. Amebicha moto ndị mmadụ. Onye jere nso na report na accuracy ka ndị mmadụ de ka ndị be anyị na be anyị na Enugu capital anyị Igbo capital Biafra ka ndị Awụsa bụ mma na accuracy everything. About to government house about 2 minutes, so you know. From here to government house, land building in Enugu is 1 minute. Somebody saying 1 minute, and there is no rapid response. There is no slow response. I've been here for up to 20 or even 30 minutes, and there is no response from government.
Shooting alone, shooting 2 hours.
You see?
2 hours shooting a go 2 hours, nothing, no response, nothing.
Yes.
Nothing.
They are still coming. The Hausa Fulani people are coming, and people here are complaining. They've been shooting for the past 2 hours. No security, no civil defense, no vigilante, no government present. And they are coming down with cutlass. You see, in Enugu. It's a shame. It's a shame. The timbers and calibers, the wealthy men in Enugu, a lot of them are staying here. I've constantly mentioned security leakages here at the entrance of a premier layer, but none of them is showing concern. And I'm happy that none of them will easily enter their home today. They are going to find a way somehow to have an emergency section, security section today. They will certainly do. They will. I don't know where we'll go from here. It's difficult to say where we'll go from here. I don't even know where to go from here. There is no way in or out. Everybody's talked. Security concerns are rising in Enugu, Eastern Nigeria, heart of Igbo land, Biafra capital. It is. You want me to video you? I am on live video. Somebody know old video. Somebody is recording live. And a viewer is saying that is a recorded video. And I'm the new artist and go see go live report. A manifest live report, live broadcast. I'm going to say kubu enyi nwoke ebe and I will start double ya bubi animonu na akwo ya pieces. Anu na mo go ga akuburo police ebe. Akuburo police ebe nwere for government ime. I'm manifest live. Asa akuburo onye ase ebe a tronda ase je border bi kwankwaso ebe. Buruburu bebe to onuku. Kwankwaso came here to defend the Hausa people and they left them. Nda azuru ga afia bata na etiti ụzọ.
All of them was new as.
Try. Anom m ene gọvanọ anya kwu ya maka ebe a nwere ife ome. Ọ na-akọ ife ọzọ.
Ya ka ọ pụzi ebe na-eme na.
Enwego security concern ịdị ọtụtụ gọvanọ je kpuchie express.
Obi office ya damage gị.
Ọ bụrụ si ịkwatu ụlọ mmadụ ndị ogbi ha je defend ebe fa now.
Onye nwa wo defend.
Ọ bụrụ ije kwatu wall fence mmadụ rụ agba ọsọ je kwatu we. And everyone, sorry, I can't go there. It is very risky. Nobody goes there. There are more than 300 Hausa Fulani men there armed. I am not armed, and there is no way I can independently go there and get killed. Even everybody, even you watching is going to blame me. So have the half-baked information you have. Ask them almost say son boss. Because same way a lot of prostitutes to be there. Everybody. And on the other side of the road, it's in our police not there. Army not there, man, so they are not doing anything. But there is no way I can go to the other side of the road. I can't go there. I can't cross. It's risky. I can't. Only obuna bina Enugu man this entrance the deadly. Only obuna bina new artisan man this entrance in Enanya. That entrance in Enanya now. All the very, very deadly. Eba is in North Kano State. One day. Eba is in North Jigawa or Nasarawa State. Total Hausa Fulani dominance. And we've been talking about it. Nobody wants to act. And it's telling now. My highway, on the run. Nobody's there. If you are not speaking Fulani language there, they kill you. And the military are there, police are there, civil defense, all of them, all the security apparatus are there. They are running. They were chased away.
They were chased away.
And they are running.
They didn't do anything. They were running away. No, we are stand by us. Once the government
So they ran away, the security
for
personnel.
almost 1 hour now. Our football they have not yet back. So if the man of people, let him come
He's not man of the people. He's planning to go to Senate. He wants to appeal to Hausa Fulani people. So they will accept him in Abuja in 2023. Our politicians are very selfish. They are very, very selfish. Enugu State Governor, you are seeing my face, your age, your eras are seeing. You are not a governor. If our people are critical, analytical, right thinkers, you shouldn't be the governor of Enugu State. You never for one day protect lives and properties. You are a land grabber, Mr. Buruburu, Enugu State Governor.
Right to order any army or any division. Anywhere.
They cannot. Buruburu wants to go to Abuja. He wants to go to Abuja.
This Nigeria is fucking up.
You have security, come and talk. One of these to put checkpoints now, started harassing innocent people.
No, that damage. The business is stopped. Nothing, everything is not working now. Look at you know why she's in office now.
It's a shame.
Will release everything.
It's a shame.
Why happy guy boss? Are you happy now? God bless you.
It's a shame.
Yeah, God bless you.
Men here are sad. They are ranting. They are lamenting.
Act with wisdom. If you want to act with wisdom, you don't come and create violence and go away. Other division, police everywhere, call them, let them come here. Where are your people?
I'm on the other side. I cannot cross. About the dangerous. I cannot cross the road. I cannot cross. All the too risky. I can't even go to the junction.
By this time, this get Nigeria.
Buruburu were useless man. I'm on a live video. My life and lives of thousands of people are in danger. Buruburu is a useless man. Ever to government house about 1 minute. It's 1 minute. And what if you want any response at all?
Now new artisan, that maybe new artisan, inside that new artisan. So from what was here with India, we don't see their own. Fight was here back. No, choose here from also from another. Yes, man, they are the police. No command, they are the police. At your also. Sanctify your people. Sanctify your people. Who carry all those policemen, go and put them there.
Our men are happy, but only few of us are zealous enough. We can't outnumber them. A lot of people are fearful, so you can understand. These people can say, "Oh, what if I Now this slump put there about now we see AK-47 then that was a full need of Haji at 200 men police also. You know, our people ain't ready for Faji. When I'm mad about the full
even just divide them into three. Divide them into three. Divide them into three.
I don't know where we go from here.
Everything won't go your way.
We are worried. We are very much worried. Oh, we're about as I could see my Benz in the mother when you're as in the junction, I could see motor in the mother, my Benz, the Toyota, my Lexus. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. People who were there before are reporting damages of over 100 million naira. As name we can't stand it there, they damaged all the vehicle there, so you understand what is going on there. There are damages ranging from 100 million to whatever amount in Enugu, the capital of Igbo land. This is a time to worry. This is a time to ponder. This is a time to think. This is a time to once again ask our people where we go from here. I don't have anywhere to go because all the access, all the entrance, exit doors are locked by Fulani herdsmen. And they are condemning buildings there. They are putting buildings down. They are in authority. They are commanding. They are commanding as well. So people are asking what fear force are going to do. We don't have arms. If the military can run away, the police and army, what? Oh, we are just about 20 here. And out of 20, only 4 of us might be zealous enough to go and face our fear. We don't have any weapons, so there is nothing, absolutely nothing anyone here could do. If you go further, you have to see dead bodies. That is what we are going to see. You know, so it's better we stay clear. As now what to the people I'm looking at there is no way few number of us are going to attack them. You see bloodshed and it's going to be pathetic. It's going to be sorrow. And we don't want that to happen. As in a cast and did and I was up here, the motor today. Anti-court to the bar, they are not doing it. When the park, I miss this guy, Nakuko. Ndabu miss this apple park and Yanako.
Don't go anywhere.
Park and Ifan. We are warning them.
Turn back.
Because in that appear is motor now. Somebody saying that artisan to government house is 20 minutes. It's 2 minutes, not even up to 2 minutes. You know, we are not artisan, new artisan. This is new artisan, not the main artisan. The old artisan is at Ogui Road. This is premier layout. It's almost an independence layout. We are urging these men to park their Benz or they could damage them. So they have to park their Benz somewhere. Igbo camp. And if you go there, you are entering Hausa Fulani camp, and whatever happened, we might not be able to explain because we don't have the number to face them. We don't have the number. They are us, our people, when that are ready. So after watching this video, if you are still opposing Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, you on your own. You might not like his approach, his words, his utterances and all that. But something is clear. Igbo land is unsafe. It is very unsafe. He might be insultive or abusive according to thousands of you who are enemies of reality, enemies of truth. But the reality is, these people are taking over Igbo land. Nnamdi Kanu don't believe, but the fact it is a reality. You open your head. I say it's happening. I can't even go. I can't come in. So you know what is going to happen. You see, I'm a lawyer. Security personnel. So you know what is going on. It's a shame. So you understand where there is nowhere to go. Adam stopped. I don't even know where to go. I can't even go. It is very risky. It is very risky. I can't go anywhere at this point. I can't. Revising can make what out. Motor appeal or revising can motor cheap 4.5 million or no, no. I don't think I'm not able to attack your phone. Yeah, motor back off. All the cheap or no, the 4.5 million, 4.5. So our people are running back, our people are turning back. Look at the vehicles there. They are going about their business, but they can't go. They are turning back. Look at them. Running away in your home, in your camp. Now, oh, shame, Kobo. Look at the vehicles turning back. They can't go anywhere. Lexus is turning back to the house. And this makes this. This makes this. ML350 is also turning back. They can't go. Tomorrow they say Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is abusing. After is abusing you now. Somebody's asking me to do something. To do what? To go there and die without ammunition. How many people are going to go with me? You saw hundreds of Hausa Fulani people with gun and knife, and you are asking me, Okulora, to go there and do something. What I'm doing is what I should do, telling you what is on ground, so you call your people wherever they are to stay safe. Are you asking me to go there? As in and the Fulani agbaga egbe ebe a for more than 1 hour before mpụta, and military agbaga also, police gba also. Everybody on the road, nobody's going, nobody's coming in. This is Ogui entrance of Premier Layout. This is Ogui office, the Akuli Sigia, and that barrier there, that hanger there, that pillar there, for entrance, the only entrance leading to Goshen Estate, Jubilee Estate. A lot of timbers and calibers are living here. A lot of wealthy men, millionaires, billionaires are living in this vicinity. But they are not curious. They are not concerned about security. It is happening. Yeah, it's good. We need to go.